Hello, welcome to another New Horizon Academy STEAM activity. Today, we will be making Play-Doh, one of our favorite activities. First, combine all the dry ingredients, including the 2 Kool-Aid packets, cream of tartar, flour, and salt. Then give it a good mix. Next, combine the oil and water into the pot. Add the dry ingredients to the pot and mix all the ingredients until blended. Cook the mixture on medium heat on the stovetop until the dough starts to form. Once the dough has cooled, knead it into a ball and start shaping. I hope you enjoyed this easy activity.